Question number 1 is define hydroelectric power. Answer to question number 1 is hydroelectric power is electricity generated by harnessing the energy of flowing or falling water using turbines and generators. Question number 2 is what are the main uses of water in urban areas? Answer to question number 2 is main uses include drinking, sanitation, industrial processes, firefighting and recreational purposes. Question number 3 is what is the primary source of drinking water in rural areas of India? Answer to question number 3 is the primary source is often groundwater accessed through wells and hand pumps. Question number 4 is what is the purpose of inter-basin water transfer? Answer to question number 4 is the purpose is to transfer water from water-rich basins to water-scarce regions to meet agricultural, industrial and domestic needs. Question number 5 is what is the role of forest in water conservation? Answer to question number 5 is forests help in water conservation by maintaining the water cycle, reducing runoff, increasing groundwater recharge and preventing soil erosion. Question number 6 is what is the impact of deforestation on water resources? Answer to question number 6 is the Narmada Bachao Andolan is a social movement aimed at preventing the displacement of people and environmental damage due to the construction of dams on the Narmada River. Question number 7 is why is the Kosi River called the Sorrow of Bihar? Answer to question number 7 is the Kosi River is called the Sorrow of Bihar due to its frequent and devastating floods, which cause widespread damage to life and property. Question number 8 is what is the purpose of National Water Mission? Answer to question number 8 is the purpose is to ensure integrated water recourse management, conservation of water and equitable distribution across India. Question number 9 is explain the significance of Bhakra Nangal Dam. Answer to question number 9 is the Bhakra Nangal Dam built on Satluj River is significant for its role in irrigation, hydroelectric power generation, flood control and water supply. Question number 10 is what is meant by artificial recharge of ground? Answer number 10 is artificial recharge involves techniques to increase the amount of water that percolates into groundwater aquifers such as using recharge pits, trenches and wells. Question number 11 is what are the consequences of water pollution? Answer to question number 11 is consequences include harm to aquatic life, health hazard for humans, reduced water quality and disruption of ecosystems. Question number 12 is what is a catchment area? Answer to question number 12 is a catchment area is a region from which a river or lake collects water, including rainfall and streams that flow into it. Question number 13 is why are rivers important for the Indian economy? Answer to question number 13 is rivers support agriculture, provide drinking water, generate hydroelectric power, facilitate transportation and support fisheries and tourism. Question number 14 is what are the benefits of interlinking rivers? Answer to question number 14 is benefits include mitigating water scarcity, enhancing irrigation potential, reducing floods and drought and improving water distribution. Question number 15 is what is the primary function of the Hirakud Dam? Answer to question number 15 is the primary function is flood control, irrigation and hydroelectric power generation. Question number 16 is what are tanks in the context of water conservation? Answer to question number 16 is tanks are small man-made reservoirs used for storing rainwater, especially in southern India for agricultural and domestic use. Question number 17 is what is meant by over-extraction of groundwater? Answer to question number 17 is over-extraction refers to excessive removal of groundwater beyond the natural recharge capacity. leading to the depletion of aquifers. Question number 18 is, what is the significance of the Sardar Sarovar Dam? Answer to question number 18 is, the Sardar Sarovar Dam, built on the Narmada River, is significant for providing irrigation, drinking water and hydroelectric power to several states. Question number 19 is, what are the consequences of floods in India? Answer to question number 19 is, consequences include loss of life and property, damage to crops and infrastructure, displacement of people and economic losses. Question number 20 is, what is the importance of the Brahmaputra river in Assam? Answer to question number 20 is, the Brahmaputra river is crucial for irrigation, navigation, hydroelectric power and sustaining biodiversity in Assam. Question number 21 is, what are the main causes of river pollution in India? Answer to question number 21 is, main causes include industrial effluents, domestic sewage, agricultural runoff and religious activities. Question number 22 is, why is the Sundarbans Delta important? Answer to question number 22 is, the Sundarbans Delta is important for its rich biodiversity, mangrove forests and as a habitat for the Bengal tiger and other wildlife. Question number 23 is, what is meant by water harvesting? Answer to question number 23 is, water harvesting refers to collecting and storing rainwater for future use, typically through systems like tanks, ponds and reservoirs. Question number 24 is, what is the role of glaciers in water resources? Answer to question number 24 is, glaciers store fresh water and release it slowly, contributing to river flows, especially during dry seasons, and supporting water supplies downstream. Question number 25 is, what is the importance of the Yamuna River to Delhi? Answer to question number 25 is, the Yamuna River is a vital source of drinking water, irrigation and supports the ecosystem and livelihoods in Delhi. Thanks for watching, and if you have liked this video, please like, share, subscribe and comment. Thanks a lot. God bless you.